Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Ayush, and today I have some exciting news for you. Apple is reportedly planning to make some huge changes to the iPhone 15 next year, and they could leave Android in the dust. According to a reliable analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is finally going to adopt USB-C for the iPhone 15, which means you can use the same charger for your MacBook, iPad, and iPhone. This is a big deal because USB-C is faster, more versatile, and more universal than Lightning. It also means you can use accessories like external monitors, keyboards, and storage devices with your iPhone. But that's not all. Kuo also claims that Apple is going to increase the battery capacity of the iPhone 15 by a whopping 10%. That means you can expect longer battery life, faster charging, and better performance from your iPhone. And if you're wondering how Apple is going to fit a bigger battery in the same size phone, well, they have a trick up their sleeve. Apparently, Apple is going to use a new technology called softboard batteries, which are thinner and more flexible than conventional batteries. This will allow them to save space and weight inside the phone and also improve heat dissipation and efficiency. Softboard batteries are already used in some AirPods models, but this will be the first time they are used in an iPhone. So what does this mean for Android? Well, it means that Apple is going to have a clear advantage over its rivals in terms of charging speed, battery life, and compatibility. Android phones have had USB-C for years, but they still lag behind Apple in terms of battery optimization and performance. And while some Android phones have bigger batteries than the iPhone, they also have bigger screens and higher refresh rates that consume more power. So there you have it. The iPhone 15 could be the biggest upgrade ever for Apple fans and a nightmare for Android fans. But what do you think? Are you excited for the iPhone 15? Do you think USB-C and softboard batteries are game changers? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.